So we're going to talk about point slope form. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is your slope, whatever your slope is, and x1, y1 is some point on your line. Usually it's given to you, or you can find it on the graph. So for a quick example, if we know our slope is 3, and we have a point that's, say, 1, 2, this is your x1, this is your y1, and this is your m. So we would just say y minus, and then the y1 was 2, equals the slope of 3 times x minus, and then 1. So that was pretty quick, but I literally just plugged in my x value here, my y value here, and my slope here. And that's all this formula is. So it might be easiest to understand it if we do one. All right, question number 1. It says, find the equation of the line with slope 3 and goes through the point 6, 4. So what they're giving us here, this 3, that's our m. That's what's going to go plugged in right here. And then they gave us the 0.64. Well, they're giving us our x1 and our y1. And that's what's going to go here and here. I'll recopy slope form here. And all I did was recopy this from up here, from the notes. Then we'll plug in. Well, y we're going to leave as y minus y1 was our y value of our point. So that's going to be 4 equals the m is 3. That comes from here where they told us the slope. And then x minus, and x1 is our x value of our point, which was 6. So this is the answer to the first question. This is it in point slope form. So if I click on this, show point slope form, there it is. You can see it's the same thing we have. Y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 6. Now the second question, to show it in slope-intercept form. So we want to distribute this 3 to the x and to the negative 6. So that will give us y minus 4 equals 3x minus 18. And now for our last step, to get y by itself, we want to bring the 4 over. So I'll add 4 to both sides. And that gives us y equals 3x minus 14, because negative 18 plus 4 is negative 14. This is the answer in slope-intercept form, and we can check that answer, y equals 3x minus 14. And that's it. So this is how to do point slope form. They usually give you a point and a slope, or you'll find a point and a slope, and then plug it in. And then if you want in slope-intercept form, you just distribute to get the answer. If you want to try more of these problems, I have this page on andymath.com with several practice problems you can try out. I'll include a link down below in the description. There's also related pages for other types of linear equations and graphing and various other related topics. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.